Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you collection try-worthy log wood projects ideas for modern makers to craft stylish, sustainable, and simple. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Starting your woodworking journey is more than simply learning how to cut, sand, or join pieces of timber. It's about discovering a creative flow where confidence meets craftsmanship and vision takes form in the beauty of wood. To build beauty with confidence is to trust in your hands, your imagination, and the quiet rhythm that comes with shaping natural materials into something enduring. In a world where mass production often strips objects of their soul, woodcrafting remains one of the most authentic ways to reconnect with creativity, sustainability, and the satisfaction of making something that reflects who you are. Every beginner woodworker carries within them the potential to transform simple logs into try-worthy pieces of furniture and decor that not only add elegance to modern spaces, but also tell stories rooted in nature and personal passion. Starting this journey doesn't require fancy tools or advanced skills. It begins with curiosity, patience, and the courage to take the first step toward crafting a lifestyle defined by purpose and artistry. When you approach woodworking with confidence, the possibilities expand beyond measure. A single wood log, once overlooked or left to decay, can become the foundation for furniture that enhances contemporary interiors, sleek coffee tables with rustic charm, minimalist log stools that blend function and art, or sculptural lamps that illuminate not just a room but the creative spirit behind them. Each cut and curve tells a story of transformation, from raw natural form to refined expression. In working with logs, you're not just building furniture, you're shaping your own creative identity. The textures, grains, and imperfections of each piece remind you that perfection in woodworking isn't about flawlessness, it's about character, individuality, and the intimate dialogue between maker and material. To create stylish and sustainable woodcrafts is to embrace the idea that design should serve both beauty and the planet. Modern creators no longer view sustainability as an optional value, it's a guiding principle. Using fallen logs, reclaimed timber, or responsibly sourced materials means that every project contributes to preserving forests while celebrating their natural gifts. When you choose to craft with intention, you create furniture that lasts, not only in physical durability, but in emotional value. These are pieces that can be passed down through generations, loved for their timeless aesthetics and the story behind their creation. Sustainable woodworking isn't just about saving resources, it's about honoring them. It's about seeing every piece of wood as a legacy of the earth, waiting for your imagination to give it a second life. For modern creators, style is as much about substance as it is about appearance. Today's design trends favor warmth over sterility, character over uniformity, and handmade charm over factory perfection. Log-based furniture, in particular, embodies this philosophy beautifully. A log side table or bench retains the raw integrity of the wood cracks, rings, and all, while integrating seamlessly into minimalist, industrial, or bohemian interiors. The combination of rustic texture and clean design lines creates a visual balance that feels both natural and contemporary. And because no two logs are identical, every finished piece is inherently one of a kind, a reflection of the maker's choices and the tree's story intertwined. Starting your woodworking journey also means embracing the balance between art and practicality. The most successful woodcrafts, those that sell quickly and capture hearts, are those that harmonize beauty with usefulness. A handcrafted log chair or wall shelf can serve as both a functional object and a sculptural statement. As you gain confidence, you learn that woodworking is not just about assembling materials, but about composing an experience, a connection between the maker, the material, and the final user. Each piece you create becomes a tangible manifestation of your vision, something others can touch, admire, and use in their daily lives. That connection is what transforms woodworking from a hobby into a deeply meaningful pursuit and potentially into a thriving business. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. In the beginning, the process may seem intimidating: the precision of measurements, the patience required for sanding, the challenge of achieving smooth finishes. But these are all part of the rhythm that makes woodworking so rewarding. Over time, what feels complex becomes meditative. The sound of saws, the scent of freshly cut wood, and the gradual reveal of a polished surface all become part of a ritual that grounds you in the present moment. You begin to see how creativity and craftsmanship feed each other. The more you create, the more ideas flow. Every project, whether a small decorative piece or a larger furniture item, teaches you something new about balance, detail, and design. But perhaps the most beautiful part of this journey is how woodworking helps you reconnect with simplicity in an increasingly digital world. There's something profoundly satisfying about working with your hands, shaping something real, tangible, and lasting. Each completed project becomes proof that imagination can be turned into form, that creativity doesn't just exist in the mind, but can live in the spaces people inhabit. And because wooden creations blend so seamlessly with nature, they bring a sense of calm, warmth, and grounding to modern homes. In this way, woodworking doesn't just change your surroundings, it transforms your mindset, encouraging patience, focus, and gratitude for the materials you use. The path from beginner to confident creator is also a journey of personal growth. As you experiment with tools and techniques, you start to discover your unique style, the way you interpret lines, shapes, and textures. Perhaps you're drawn to minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics, or maybe you find inspiration in rustic farmhouse charm or the organic flow of wabi-sabi design. Whatever your approach, your personal touch becomes your signature, setting your creations apart in a marketplace eager for authenticity. In fact, in today's design economy, handmade and sustainable crafts command more attention than ever. Buyers crave the human connection behind each product, the assurance that their furniture was crafted with care rather than mass-produced. By crafting try-worthy wooden furniture and decor from logs, you enter a space where creativity meets opportunity. What begins as a small workshop project can easily evolve into a profitable enterprise as demand for eco-conscious design continues to rise. Platforms for selling handmade crafts, from local markets to global online stores, give modern creators endless ways to showcase their work. When customers purchase your creations, they're not just buying furniture, they're buying into a philosophy of sustainability, craftsmanship, and creativity. Your work becomes a part of their story, enriching their spaces with warmth, meaning, and the spirit of nature. Ultimately, starting your woodworking journey right means embracing three interconnected values: creativity, confidence, and consciousness. Creativity fuels your designs, confidence brings them to life, and consciousness ensures that your craft benefits both people and the planet. Each project you complete strengthens your skills, deepens your appreciation for natural materials, and connects you with a community of makers who share the same passion for sustainable art. Whether you craft for personal fulfillment or for profit, woodworking offers a lifetime of learning and expression, a way to build beauty that endures, one creation at a time. In every grain of wood, there lies a possibility. In every log, there's a story waiting to be told. When you start your woodworking journey with confidence and heart, you don't just create furniture, you create legacy. You craft not only for the present but for the future, shaping a world where art and nature coexist beautifully, sustainably, and meaningfully. And in doing so, you'll discover that the real masterpiece isn't just what you make, it's the maker you become. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked try-worthy log wood projects ideas for modern makers to craft stylish, sustainable, and simple. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.